Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Umair Awab from Pingos English School and Eureka School System. Today the date is 22nd June 2020 and we had an online class with P3 today. In today's class we read the story A Fair Solution from page number 96 to 98 of Learner's Book. This story consists of 3 characters. Number 1 is Nasruddin, who is the judge. The second character is the rich man, who is the restaurant owner. And the third character is a poor man. In this story, there is a poor man who was passing by a nice and a very expensive restaurant. And once he passes by, so he smells the nice food which was being cooked inside the restaurant. So he sits right in front of the restaurant outside and he sits there. He takes out his bread which is very dry. He takes it out and he thinks that if he just imagines that while smelling the nice food which is smelling from the restaurant and he eats his dry bread, he can assume that he is having a nice meal. So once he starts, the restaurant owner, the rich man, comes out and says, "Stop! You can't do that. If you want to smell the good food, then you have to pay for it because that food is mine." The poor man says that, "But I'm not buying any food from you, nor I'm eating anything. I'm just smelling it." So he says, "But you have to pay for it because that food is mine and if you're smelling it, so you have to pay for it." The poor man disagrees, to which the rich man says that let's go to the judge and the judge will decide. He will make you pay it. They go to the judge. The judge is Nasruddin. He was a nice man and he used to give fair solutions. So once they reached there, the rich man told the whole matter to the judge and he said that he was sitting outside and he's smelling the food of my restaurant, so he is supposed to pay it. So then the judge asks for all the money from the poor man. He says, "Give me the money which you have." The poor man gives a small sack of coins and he says that this is all what I have and I don't have anything else apart from this. Nasruddin, the judge, takes the bag from him and he brings it near the ear of the rich man. He brings the bag close to the ear and he shakes it. So all the coins jingle, they start jingling. And then the judge asks the rich man, "Can you hear the coins?" He says, "Of course I can." So he says, "Now, because the poor man was only smelling the food and now you have heard the coins, the money of the poor man, so now he has paid for it. If he had eaten something, then he would have paid, he would have given money. But now only if he has smelled the food, so now you can only hear his money." And that is how the solution was given, and a very fair solution was given by Nasruddin. This was the story which was read today in the P3 online class, and the homework today which was given to them was that they have to do exercise on page number 100. They have to do exercise number 3, the questions only 1 to 6 in their language notebook. They have to do this, and apart from this, in the activity books they have to do page number 86 and 87. And along with this is the language homework. Apart from this, they have to make a title page of Sinbad Goes to Sea in their literature notebook. Jazakallah khair. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.